You are going to love the 2015 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.